Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the 68 RFE deep transmission pan from RevMax. So the guys at RevMax sent us a valve body for our 2018 Dodge to try out in the truck, and they also sent us this really nice deep transmission pan for the 68 RFEs, and just talk just a little bit about some of the features of this pan. Of course, this is machined aluminum. Externally, you can see that it's got a high temp black powder coating on it. It's got machined fins down, got the RevMax logo on it. The external fins to help with cooling. You have external fins around the case here to help with the rigidness. You know, the big thing with the 68 RFE, and one thing that we fight, is case flex. Case flex that goes into giving you flex inside the valve body, cross leaks, all the things. So we want to get rid of case flex, and this pan goes a long way into doing this. Now the pan itself has got internal baffles to keep the sloshing down, keeping you from having cavitation around the pump side of it. You also have the drain port, which is super nice. I don't know why all trans pans, it should be a daggone federal law that they've got a drain port in them. You've got a 1/8 27 MPT port for a temp sensor if you so choose to add it. If you don't, the plug comes with it. The pan is designed like the stock one. It's offset and deeper at the sump side so that the sump is always has a fresh and larger supply of oil on that side. And this is probably one of the nicer pans out there for the 68 RFE. I almost didn't tell you about the magnetic drain. I told you that it had a drain cut in it, but I tell you about the magnetic drain plug. This is magnetic drain plug, so if you get any magnetic material, metal material comes out of your transmission, the drain plug is going to catch it, and it's going to be right there on the thing. Now, if you have any questions about the RevMax 68 RFE deep trans pan, give us a call. Thanks for watching.